Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of Bug Bounty Hunting program. In this tutorial, we will talk about what is reflected cross-site scripting. So, reflected cross-site scripting or XSS arises when an application receives data in an HTTP request and includes that data within the immediate response in an unsafe way. It is by far the most basic type of web vulnerability. These holes show up when the data provided by the web client, most commonly in HTTP query parameter, example, HTML form submission, where you have to submit a form and fill in your details. It is used immediately by server-side script to parse and display a page of results for and to that user without properly sanitizing the content. So, how we can test reflected XSS? Suppose we have this website which says insecurewebsite.com search exclamation term is equal to gift. So over here they are using get parameter, and if we'll inject this get parameter, we can perform a reflected XSS. As you can see over here, after message, instead of gift we have inserted our script, or I can say we have inserted our payload, and if the payload get executed, it will show an alert box on the website. Things will definitely get more clear when we'll do this on our testing environment. So thank you for watching this tutorial.